GNM Bangalore, last few seats available at GRV School of Nursing. Hurry, grab this opportunity. For details, visit Good Shepherd Education Trust opposite DRPR office, Lower Lachmere, Shillong, or contact the numbers below.
Ka sorkar ka lapan kre bakan pelong ya ka Umiam gum ka wei na ki Sohpyni sya ka perthei bakan kring ye ki nongwan ka swari sya ka jylla. Na ka benta ka ni ka tanat klau jong ka jylla ka la menjur bakan ai ya ka jaka ka bahe ka malaispa ikar ka jaka ban pelong ya ka jaka Jngohkai ka babiang nadong shadong hakate ka jaka sya ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation na ka MTDC. Ki kam ki ban sabu hakate ki jaka ki long ka jaka yai ka park ki jaka sa bat ki jaka ilakai. Nalor ka jing pelong ya kani ka jaka kum ka jaka Jngohkai ka bapau nam ha ka berthei an pen khi lung biang ya ka pung Umiam ka bat light na ka jing jabo khnang bakan penhun ya ki bawan kai ha ba ki yo ban ma ya ka te ka jaka ha ba kren chikila pathai Khubor menta ka sngi umentri bade khmi ya ka tanat Jngohkai jong ka jalau ba po lingdo laong ba haga jo kapor ka sorkar kan pen bharu ya ki surok namar ba ka kam Jngohkai ke de bar ka jingdon jong ki surok ki babha Long ba na kapung Umiam kan don ka jing Pynher ye ki lingsun red ne ki helicopter ki ban ket ye ki nong wan kai ki bakwa sa sora New Shillong knang ban kring ye ki nong wan kai ki basbun ban pelut bat haba ki wan kai sya ka jylla.
Organized at the instance of the Chief Minister, where we have very ambitious plan to redevelop the entire Umiam area. Parts of which are now with Tourism MTDC, parts of which are with Forest Department. So there's a very ambitious project to expand the MTDC, the units of the MTDC, probably introduce more facilities, more entertainment zones, and also upscale the present accommodation facilities available with Orchid Lake Resort. So we have made substantial progress in the sense that the Department of Forests has indicated its willingness to part with about 300 acres of land for facilitating the growth of tourism in that particular hub, and we would like Umiam to be a major tourist attraction of not only Meghalaya but also the entire northeast. So based on that presentation, we will now, the departments concerned have been asked to finalize the rest of details, and in principle we have agreed that we will expand Umiam as a tourist hub of the state of Meghalaya. All activities, especially water sports, for instance, then there'll be activities for tourists so that they do not confine themselves to their hotel rooms. There'll be walking space in and around the Nehru Park. There'll be facilities for children. Basically, adventure sports will also be encouraged. Then we are also thinking in terms of having, entertainment, water sports entertainment, and such other facilities. We are identifying this will form part of the rejuvenation plan, because along with the expansion, we are also planning to rejuvenate Umiam Lake, which is why this meeting involving several departments was called today. The Department of Power has been tasked with the responsibility of coming up with a plan. For instance, desiltation is required, they'll take this up, and things will start moving now. You will be seeing the results soon. It should happen within the next 6 months or so. At least the cleaning up of Umiam Lake. But the expansion work, this will take some time, but we expect that things should start moving within a year from today. We will avoid those areas which will attract any infringement upon water bodies. So, which is why we are going to expand more towards the hillside and gain 300 acres of land which is not immediately contiguous to the lake.